Okay guys, Train Spotter HD and welcome back to another new video. And today I'm at Totnes today on this sunny Saturday lunchtime now. So I decided to come to Totnes today. There's going to be I think 2 movements from Lara, HST movements, to get on camera, and it'll be hauled by some rail adventure HST power cars, which is hauling some other HST power cars back for storage, so all to be scrapped, unfortunately. So yeah, I will get those on camera much later on in the video. Obviously in between that we'll get more passenger trains on camera. It'll obviously just be mainly the longer trains. I won't see any shorter trains. Hardly get any shorter trains down here anyway. It's just mainly the longer trains from Vorges and IETs. Don't think there'll be any castle sets during my stay here, unfortunately, so it will actually only just be Vorges and IETs, which could be quite boring, I know, but we will get those HST movements in between that. So with that being said and done, that should make it much more enjoyable to watch. So yeah. So we'll come back shortly with some more trains. Two 20014 and 221141. Cross-country service to Plymouth. Okay guys, well I thought I'd come back into the video. Obviously here at Totnes today, like I said. Should be 2 trains coming in shortly, one either side. One going to Edinburgh, cross-country service. That one is on time, and there'll be a slight late Reading service from London Pounds into Penzance on the opposite side. So yeah, that's the state of play so far. So like I said, much later on in the video we will see those HST movements. There's going to be 2 of them. One at around about 2:20, and one probably just after 3. So you'll see those, and also you'll record other trains as well. So I plan to make this video quite lengthy. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy. So we'll come back shortly. Okay guys, we're back in the video. The cross-country service just arrived, going to Edinburgh. You'll see that go out shortly. 221125 is number on that train. We should have the other one coming shortly as well. Wrexham Railway, going to Penzance. So yeah. And there she is now. A02102, number 1 the train. It's a rather busy train as well, as per usual. Go. Get camera on for this. So there seems to be some few latecomers. And a very outrageous tone by the driver there. Thank you for that. Obviously, didn't expect that. Now you've got the IET on the opposite side now leaving. I can hear the steam train at Totnes. That's another thing I want to do at some point, is go to the steam railway at Totnes at some point. Haven't done that yet. There we go. Okay guys, well, we're back in the video, and about to come in now will be a late running cross-country service to Plymouth. Come in now, can you hear it? (220-033) number on the train. It's the 4-car Voyager. So if you ever come to Totnes, guys, I definitely recommend that boxing, what's it called? The Station Box Cafe, I think it's called, here at Totnes. Just had a nice little breakfast, very nice indeed. Definitely recommend it. So yeah, we'll be back shortly with some more trains. There'll be another train on this side stopping, going to London Paddington. So we'll come back shortly. I mean, it won't come back shortly because it's actually coming in now. You can see another nice sunny day, nice autumn sunny day. Feels quite warm actually in the sunshine, I must admit. You know, it's only supposed to be a maximum of around 12-13 degrees today. A02114 is the number on this IET. Okay guys, we're back in the video. I had to go out now. Will be the service to London Paddington. This one is actually on time. Bit of a wait there. That one is definitely on time. That's tone as it went out. Okay guys, so we're back with in the video. It's starting to rain here at Totnes, bit of a hefty shower. And we got a cross-country service to Edinburgh now coming in. Interestingly, this is actually stopping at Gloucester, this one. Don't normally do that. Just normally does Bristol Parkway and Cheltenham Spa. Oh dear, starting to rain heavily. The weird thing about it, it shouldn't be raining today, so I don't know why it's raining. So yeah, we'll come back shortly. Okay then guys, we're back in the video here at a quite a wet Totnes now, experiencing a rather unexpected shower. We got this cross-country service to Edinburgh about to go out. We should have a Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Plymouth about to be coming in shortly as well. That service to Paddington is running a few minutes late. This one is on time. So you're too late if you can't get on the train. There's always some latecomers to the train, isn't there? And there he is. 802-009. Okay, so that's the return of the 221141, which was at the start of the video. That was one of the trains I was actually sitting on coming here. So they separated the uncoupled the Voyagers at Plymouth. 802014 is the number at the back of this IET. Yeah, so I don't know why we experienced the shower there, but it looks like it's stopped now, thankfully. So we will continue with some more trains. Probably see this go out, and then I will keep an eye on the HST movements that will be going through here. One at about 20 past 2, and I think one after 3 o'clock, so they're not too far from each other. They're doing it separately. They're carrying away a few, I've been told they're hauling a few Crosscountry HST carriages, so that'll be obviously very interesting to see and get on camera for sure. So obviously they need to clear all those Crosscountry HST carriages out the way so they can store 1 or 2 more castle sets at Lara, I suppose. I think that's why they're doing it. We'll keep the camera for this service to Plymouth as it is about to depart. A 10 coach train to Plymouth. Well done, Great Western Railway. I don't know if you needed that much, but who knows. I will just look at the train situation. Like I said, I'll get the HST movements on camera. There's only a certain amount of IETs and Voyagers you can get on camera before it gets boring, so I may play it by here and just get certain trains on camera now. I think this is obviously the predominantly problem now here at Totnes. You're only going to see IETs and Voyagers, so it's a bit of a boring situation out here, unfortunately. Yeah, castle sets still do come here, but they don't come here very often now because, you know, the castle sets are phasing out. So every time I do a session, yeah, it doesn't seem to be any castle sets running, so it's just a bit unfortunate. But there we go. It is what it is. Okay guys, we're back in the video here at Totnes. Not too far away from the first HST movement. I actually left there around about 7 to 8 minutes early, which is ideal, so I can also record it and get out of the way. We first do have another passenger train coming first. This is from Cardiff Central going to Penzance. This one's actually on time. It will be coming in shortly. Here's a 5 car. So yeah, stay at play. It's funny though, yeah, when I had a shower earlier on, and all of a sudden it's lovely and sunny again. It's weird how the British weather goes, eh? Turn the camera on for this service from Cardiff Central to Penzance, but I assume it's probably on its way, but it hasn't come in yet. Although I think I can hear something. So we'll keep the camera rolling. There she is. And this would be 800-001. No, it's not. It's 800-035, not 001. According to the real-time trains app, it was 800-001. So that'll probably be the last IET I'll get on camera, because like I said, there's only a certain amount of IETs you can get on camera before it gets boring, so yeah. So we'll come back shortly for the HST movement. Okay guys, well, I'll come back into the video. So we should have that HST movement back to come through. Yep, there she is now, pulled by some Rail Venture power cars, HST one. Those are some proper HST power cars, buffer ones. I haven't seen buffer power cars for a while. That was nice. I like the way they actually put one at the front and one at the back there, so yeah, that's good. So yeah, there's another one at after 3 o'clock, which obviously I'll get on camera as well. So yeah, so we'll have that shortly. Okay guys, well, we're back in the video here at Totnes. Got to record this service to HST Day. I was about to go out. This is not going to London Paddington now, due to shortage of train crew. So 10 car AT to HST David, get in. Very strange, I know. Like I said, it was meant to be service to London Paddington, but it's not now. 800 031 and 800 007. Okay guys, so I got the news that the other HST movement has left Lower, about a minute or two early, so I'll get that on camera. So yeah, I'll have that shortly. Okay guys, back in the video. We got the other one now about to come through. That's carrying 9 coaches there. I think the first one was probably carrying 9 as well then. So there we go. I love those buffer HST power cars. Very nice to see, because you don't see them very often nowadays. So yeah, lovely sight to see, to say the least. Okay again guys, that would do now for trains at Totnes. Hope you enjoyed this video guys. Quite a nice little selection of trains. From, well, I do say nice selection of trains. Obviously it's predominantly IETs and Voyagers, but obviously the two HST movements in between was obviously nice as well. So yeah, overall a very good video. If you want to know where those HST movements are going to, they're going to Chadstone Sidings, which is just past Derby. So yeah, I think that was the first time I ever seen Rail Venture HST power cars. So that was nice indeed as well. So yeah, it is rather sunny here now at Totnes. Hope you can see me guys. So yeah, overall very good video here at Totnes. Can't fault it really. So if you did like what you saw in this video, leave a big fat like. Any feedback would be greatly appreciated. And until next time, from me here at a very sunny Totnes, I shall see you all soon guys. Take care.